In this video, we're going to talk about another powerful songwriting tool, and that is the art of collaboration. Collaboration means that you simply invite others into the songwriting process and you stop writing songs by yourself. What's so powerful about collaboration, you ask? Well, when you bring your best to the table and a friend brings their best to the table and maybe even another friend brings their best to the table, you end up with something exponentially better than what you started with by yourself. Let's use the song you're listening to now as an example. I started this song by writing it instrumentally. After I had it about where I wanted it, I sent a copy over to Karen and said, hey, why don't you throw some vocals up against this and see where it goes? After that, it was a process of going back and forth and saying, well, what if you sang it this way, or what if we said this, until we landed on something we were really excited about. Then we brought in a third party by sending a copy of the song to one of my music mentors, Chris. Chris helped us to continue shaping and refining what we already had. So in the end, we ended up with something that we were all really excited about. Now I want to take you inside of this project and show you an example of the power of collaboration. In the bridge, I wrote the music, but Karen wrote the vocals and sang the melody. Then Chris said, hey, what if you took those vocals and chopped them up? So in the end, you have three parties working on the same song and achieving a result that I never would have gotten by myself. Now that you're ready to collaborate, you might be asking questions like, well, how do I share tracks digitally? Or, what if the person I want to collaborate with doesn't have a schedule that lines up with mine? Or, what if we even live in different states? Well, great questions. But I'm here to tell you that it's not only possible, it's actually pretty easy. I want to show you one quick and easy way to collaborate with your friends digitally. So I'll use this song as an example to show you how to do it. Hope is rising. When I got to the chorus of the song, I realized, man, I really want some background vocals to fill this thing out. So, as I commonly do, I called Karen to see if she'd be willing to sing background vocals. She was willing, so first, I bounced down an MP3 version of the song to send to Karen through an email. When Karen got the email, she downloaded it and simply dragged it from the download folder into a blank project. Then from there, she created 2 new audio tracks to record 2 different vocal parts. Then Karen tracked each harmony separately. As you can see, she's working with $1 million studio here, just like you're probably working in. When she was done, she soloed each track and exported them individually as uncompressed AIFF files. She emailed each individual track to me, and now I was ready to import them into my project. Now that I was back in my project, I went ahead and created 2 new audio tracks for her harmonies. Once I had those tracks ready, I went up to the media button and searched for the audio files that I was looking for. When I found the file, I dragged it into the track I'd created for it. Then I made sure to drag the harmony into the right place in the song. I did the same thing with the second harmony, and then I made sure to clip off all of the audio that I didn't need. After that, I was ready to edit and mix Karen's vocals just like any other track in this project. But it doesn't stop there. You can share more than background vocals. You can share any kind of audio track you want. And then I shall take this project, for instance, where I shared 2 background vocals, a piano, and a bass to fill out this song. Proclaim, my God, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. So as you can see, collaboration and track sharing are really powerful tools and ones that I use all the time. So now it's your turn. Go find a friend or two and write a song together. You don't even have to be in the same place at the same time. You simply need to step out and go for it.
That one then sings my soul.